In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications for Google Tasks. We'll do this right inside Google Calendar because on the web, task reminders use Calendar's notification system. By the end, you'll have pop-up alerts for your tasks so you don't miss what matters. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you manage your tasks, and it's best to do this on a desktop or laptop for the clearest view of the settings. Look to the top right of the calendar page for the gear-shaped icon. That's the settings menu. Click it, then choose settings from the menu to open the full settings page. This is where all your calendar and task notification preferences live. In the left-hand sidebar of the settings page, find and select notification settings. This section controls how Google Calendar delivers notifications, and it also applies to Google Tasks when you're using Calendar on the web. Within notification settings, look for the main notifications option. You'll see a drop-down control next to it. Click the drop-down to reveal the available choices. Here you're deciding how alerts will appear while you're using your browser. From the drop-down, select Alerts. Choosing Alerts enables pop-up notifications, so you'll see a visible reminder on your screen when a task is due. This is the key change that turns on task notifications in your browser. If this option was previously off, switching to Alerts will immediately allow pop-ups to show. Keep in mind, if your browser blocks notifications for calendar.google.com, you still won't see them, so it's worth ensuring notifications are allowed in your browser permissions. A quick note on how this works with tasks: you'll get alerts for tasks that have a date and time because that gives Calendar a specific moment to remind you. If a task doesn't have a time, it may not trigger a pop-up at the moment you expect. Setting a time in the task itself will give you the most predictable alert behavior. That's it. You went to Google Calendar, opened Settings, navigated to Notification Settings, opened the Notifications drop-down, and chose Alerts. From now on, you should see task reminders as on-screen alerts for this account in browser. If you still don't notice alerts, double-check your browser's notification permissions and any system focus or do not disturb settings that might suppress pop-ups. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying on top of your tasks.